Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create WeChat account. So let's jump right in. First, open the WeChat app. Tap on the sign up option from the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the sign up with mobile option. This will allow you to create your account using your mobile number. First, in the name section, enter your full name. This will be the name displayed on your WeChat account. Next, tap on the region option. Now, select the region where you belong to from the list provided. In the phone section, enter your phone number. Make sure it's the correct number as you will need it to verify your account. Here, in the password section, create a strong password for your WeChat account. Make sure it's something you can remember. Tap on the checkbox to accept the terms and conditions of WeChat app. Finally, tap on the accept and continue button. And that's it. This is how you can create WeChat account. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.